I'm here with a Reggae Girlz fan. Jamaica running away with a 5-1 victory. Thoughts on the game?
It was a good game for the crowd to be out and cheering on the girls. I thought they got inspiration from the crowd, and they came and delivered. And a win is a win, but you saw a lot of heart by the girls and some good goals. And just proud of the girls to go to the next round.
Who was your player of the match?
It's hard to say player of the game because I think the girls did well across the board. But I mean, Bonnie as a leader obviously stood out and did well. I think Shudi did well as well in terms of what she was providing, and Jody at the front. But the defense stood tall. I mean, having a somewhat of a clean sheet, it gave momentum for the girls to move forward.
All right, finally we're on to the next round of World Cup qualification. Thoughts on this? The big mighty USA is in it, as well as Canada and others. Thoughts on this?
Well, I mean, we have a shot in it. We've gone to the World Cup before. The girls have momentum. They have every chance, just like everyone. So the girls can continue to build on what they have. They have a nice little unit being built, and I think momentum will carry them through, and hope they produce for them to go to the next World Cup.
All right, thank you very much.